In this video, I'll be showing you how I took a brand new Fiverr account from 0 to 13,60,000 rupees in just 11 months. So my name is Sahil Agrawal and I have built multiple successful Fiverr accounts so far. So this particular account I started in February 2023. So this is what I do to start and grow any new account. So the first thing is I find and sell only profitable services and I never sell a $5 to $10 service. So on Fiverr as of now, there are 700 plus service categories. So based on whatever skill you have or you will learn, for example, video editing, graphic design, web development, SEO, app development, copywriting, and all these skills. So whatever skill you have or you will learn, based on the same skill, you can provide your services into multiple subcategories on Fiverr. So what I'm saying is find profitable service categories, meaning premium priced service categories where you can get orders worth of $100, $200, $300 kind of orders and not $5-10 orders. And in case if you are wondering, Sahil, what service you are selling on this Fiverr account, so I'm selling website development. Now once I find a profitable service for myself where I can get orders for $200, $300, $100 and price like that, as opposed to getting $5, $10, $20 orders, then what I do, the next step after finding a profitable service is I create a high quality winning gig to stand out and rank on the Fiverr platform. And how do I do that? I simply go and model top 5 successful sellers in website development. For example, my category, let's say I'm building Wix website. So I go and I model top 5 selling gigs in Wix website. I model them because one thing I understand, one thing you have to understand is the world runs on cause and effect, action, reaction. There is no such thing as they are very outgoing, they are smart, they are just lucky. No, they must have done something, they must have taken some action because of which these gigs are successful, few gigs are successful and other thousands of gigs are not successful. That's why I model the top 5 selling gigs, top 5 successful gigs in any category I want to launch into, and that's how I have created my winning gig. Now one more thing I would like to tell you is that once you have a winning gig on Fiverr, meaning a gig that has been modeled from proven sources, now this gig is guaranteed to stand out and rank on the Fiverr platform because 95% of the sellers, their gig is literally crap and they are not even serious about their Fiverr business. They are just doing Fiverr, they are like chalo dekhte hain, try karke ho gaya to ho gaya. So they are not even taking it as a business. Okay, so they are not in my competition. Just take achhi gig banakar, I am already setting myself apart from rest of the marketplace. So that's the second thing which I do. Now once I have a really good solid gig, then what I do, I create a seller profile, and if I already have a seller profile, then I just launch my gig into that seller profile. At this point, one important thing what I do is I make sure my profile, my seller profile is complete. My profile picture is good, my bio is there, my profile description is good, and then I make sure I have completed a skill test and I have updated all the certifications or any education that I have. All these things I complete, and then once all that thing is done, then I make sure my backend settings are done. My PAN card is there, I am online from my mobile application and my desktop, meaning the browser part, and then I publish my gig on that Fiverr profile, and that's it. Once my gig is published, now comes the very important step. Once my gig is published, I make sure I am online on Fiverr. ऐसा नहीं करना कि आपने गिग पब्लिश किया और आप जस्ट अच्छा आप तो गिग पब्लिश कर दिया, अभी छोड़ देते हैं, वेट करेंगे ऑर्डर जब आएगा तब देखा जाएगा. No, you have to be online, you have to be active on Fiverr platform. That's what I have done. So I make sure my Fiverr profile is online and visible, so that what happens now, my impressions will start growing. Now people will start looking at my profile because I am online, so it will gain more exposure. As opposed जब मैं offline रहूंगा तो कम exposure मिलेगा मुझे. So I make sure I am capitalizing on all the possible opportunities जो मेरे पास हैं. I'm being online to make sure I'm gaining a lot of exposure on the platform. Once I start getting impressions, then what I do, secret hack you can call it. I don't like to use such words like hack and stuff like that, but yes, you can call this thing that. What I have done is I have taken reviews on my gig. I have paid someone to place order with me and then leave me a 5-star review, and then I deliver some good work to them as well. I have taken on this profile, I have just taken 2 reviews, and after that my profile started growing. Why? What happens is when you are getting impressions, then Fiverr thinks okay, so I have promoted this person was getting impressions, this is also converting, this gig is converting, so let me promote it even more. Why? Because your gig is getting conversions, so Fiverr also makes money because you are making money, so they will promote you even more from that point. So after that my profile started growing even more and I started getting some more clients, 2-3 clients here and there, and I made sure at this point that whenever someone approached me, I'm replying fast. I'm making sure I'm not just replying after 1 day or after 3-4 hours. I'm replying instantly. I have turned on all the notifications notification. I have made sure my notification sound is very loud so that I don't miss it, and then I reply to that person, whoever approaches me, and I close them. Okay, and I take order from them, and I make sure I'm giving them good experience, like an amazing experience with me, and then they leave me a 5-star rating, and also they give me a good feedback, and in some cases people also leave you some tip, and that's how the profile start growing. At this moment, this profile is now 11 months old. It has generated 13,60,000 rupees plus 90,000 more in affiliate income, because I'm selling website development, so affiliate income is also there, right? So it's around 14.5 lakhs in 11 months, and this is just getting started. First 3 months, it took this profile 3 months to start picking up and start growing, and this is the period when most people give up. They're like, अरे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, मैंने तो 2 महीने Fiverr किया. Because see, this is the thing, I knew how it worked. पहले 2-3 महीने काफी स्लो जाएगा आपका प्रोफाइल, and then it starts to grow. अगर आप उन 2-3 महीनों में अच्छे से एक्टिव हो और सही से काम कर रहे हो, सीरियस होकर. So once it started growing first 3 months के बाद, so अगस्त से अभी तक का ये इनकम है 14 लाख. So it's like last 7 months आप लगा सकते हो, 7 to 8 months if I'm not wrong. So and this year obviously now the consistency is there, so this year will be even more, because this was the starting year to 2023. So यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा 14 लाख है तो मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा कम है, बट ओके डिसेंट है. बट अब जब इसने कंसिस्टेंसी पकड़ा, सो अब नेक्स्ट ईयर काफी बड़ा होगा. सो दिस इज हाउ आई हैव ग्रोन दिस न्यू Fiverr अकाउंट फ्रॉम 0 to 13 lakhs figure. If you have any further questions from me, please ask me in the comment and I'll answer to you. And I hope you found this video valuable, and I'll see you in some other video. Bye.